Hi everyone, it's Diane with Owl's Treasures. Right now I'm going to make a banana soap using real banana and colloidal oatmeal, which I'm going to add now. There's already kaolin clay in the oils. I have olive oil, coconut oil, palm, grapeseed, and shea. Just mixing it up right now. The oatmeal has been ground from whole oatmeal pieces. I use the old-fashioned kind and then I sift it so I don't have anything real scratchy. It's just nicely exfoliating. Adding my lye water, which also has sodium lactate and Himalayan salt in it. Alright, going to bring this to trace and add the banana. This should turn pretty brown on its own, so I'm not coloring it, not adding any fragrance to it. This is a vegan soap, and I think very pretty on its own. Has a lot of nice qualities for your skin. You can come in. Alright, mix this in, and pretty much soap is done at that point. Get this poured in the mold, and once it hardens up a little bit, I will lightly texture the top. I will be back with a little bit of texturing and putting the oatmeal on. Alright, so I'm just gonna texture this banana oatmeal a little bit on the top. Just to give it a small, pretty design. I don't know if you can actually see that or not. Should be able to, but it's just so it's not completely flat. And then I'm going to take a little bit of oatmeal, and I just take a little bit of the powder and just sprinkle it on top. Not a lot. I like it looking a little rustic, and that way I can also tell it apart from the soap that just has regular banana in it. So I'm not sure what happened. My video cut out. Here's the oatmeal and banana. As you can see, it'll darken as it ages. Not very exciting for watching for cutting, so I guess if a video had to cut out, that was the one.